毛巾、羽毛、小鸭鸭，水温刚刚好。泼泼水来做泡泡，今天真是美妙。大声唱歌扭扭腰，我爱洗洗澡。
毛巾、羽毛、小鸭鸭，水温刚刚好。泼泼水来做泡泡，今天真是美妙。大声唱歌扭扭腰，我爱洗洗澡。
Hey Zoobs, can you pass the ketchup?
Have you ever tried natural ketchup?
Natural ketchup?
Yeah, it tastes like regular ketchup, except there's no high fructose corn syrup in it. It's more natural.
Does it taste better?
I like it more, but I guess it's an acquired taste. Regular ketchup tastes kind of sugary to me now.
Yeah.
Is it still red?
Reddish brown, a little darker than Heinz.
Can you put it on French fries?
I usually like regular ketchup.
Can you get it at a normal grocery store?
I think so, yeah.
Hey Zoobs, is it a place?
No?
Is it expensive?
Regular price.
Is it pulpy?
No.
Does it need to be refrigerated?
That's up to you.
It's soupy, right?
No.
Do you eat it every day?
Good?
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Is it edible?
Yes.
Is it smaller than a bread box?
I guess it depends.
Yes
on
or
the
no?
Yes.
Do you see Banana Man hopping over on the white hot sand? Here he come with some for me, freshly taken from banana tree. Banana Man, me want it done. Give me double and a bonus one. Give me more for all me friends. This banana flow will never end. Do you want a banana? Peel it down and go Do you want a banana? This banana for you. Tonight we dance around the flame, then we get to play the spirit game. Spirit names we shout out loud, shake the thunder from the spirit cloud. All the songbirds in the tree chant a tune to let the spirits free. Then we see them in the night, spirits jumping by the firelight. Do you you're too uptight, you know. You could laugh and kick it back and go, but without a rhythm or a rhyme, you do not banana all the time. Fly away from city on the run, try to make a little fun. Don't you come to the bungalow? After that you tell me don't you so. Don't you love the popping of the drum? Make it shake until the bongo long. Let the bongo play until you drop. This banana never stop. Forget all your troubles and go with the flow. Forget about whatever you may never know. Like whether whatever you're doing is whatever you should, and whether anything you do is ever anything good. And then forget about banana when it's sticking your throat, and when it make you wanna bellow but you're stuck in a choke. And then forget about the yellow from the colorful man, and if you take another one and make a mock of you.
So much neck is wrong that I should smell like cologne. Swallow this dick is gone. He's searching for it on Chrome.
Material world, I want Chanel 9 boots. All these niggas steady jocking 'cause they know I'm the shroom. Material world, and I get it from my mammy, but